The Canon Image Formula CR190i, a high-volume check transport, is the cornerstone for production check processing, delivering high performance, reliability, and image quality. With an efficient countertop design, the CR190i check transport is capable of meeting even the toughest challenges. The CR190i is capable of maintaining impressive scanning speeds of up to 190 checks per minute. The CR190i's newly lengthened paper path enables applications to endorse and sort checks based on the actual check's microdata. Canon's proven roller system delivers exceptional document handling, reliability, and the ability to process the wide variety of documents banks receive today. Coupled with such features as ultrasonic double feed detection, continuous feeding, and eject pocket waterfalling, the CR190i is capable of handling high-volume check processing up to a suggested daily volume of 24,000 scans. By combining magnetic and optical character recognition, Canon's check transport system achieves precise microdata capture with impressive accuracy and reliability without sacrificing its high scanning speeds. With Canon's high-precision optical technology expertise, the CR190i also delivers advanced image optimization, capable of delivering images, including small details and other valuable check information, with exceptional clarity and precision. Keeping efficiency of countertop convenience in mind, the CR190i's compact design can accommodate even the busiest environments. The ease of use and maintenance, along with the scanner's ENERGY STAR efficiency, makes the CR190i a perfect choice. It all adds up to a fast, accurate, high-volume solution from Canon, a leader known for innovative technologies.